Good morning, everyone. I'm Monica from the Department of Fashion Technology. This presentation is Pochampalli Ikat, the printing Pochampalli Ikat for the student of third semester, Department of Fashion Technology. So let's start with the presentation. First is introduction. Pochampalli Ikat is a type of silk that finds its origin in a small town of Andhra Pradesh, which is now called Telangana, Bhudan Pochampalli. Dubbed as a silk city of India, it is also renowned as a name of Silk City of India. The town is known for giving a world of fabric that cannot rival any other ikat production in the country. One of the most telling signs of this sari is the mesmerizing geometrical pattern that spreads all over the garment, giving it a perfect trancy feel. So what is the origin and history of Pochampalli? Bhudan Pochampalli marked its rightful place in Indian history as a silk mine in the 18th century. So its origin in the Bhudan Pochampalli in the 18th century. The weaving process of the traditional Pochampalli ikat sari is said to be brought to the small town of Pochampalli from Chirala, where the art was locally referred to as Chitku. Starting with a small pool of weavers, the town soon came to be known for the classic fabric that they could produce, one that could compete with every silk manufacturer in the country. By 1999, the manufacturing unit had grown to over 10,000 families and the process was more maker friendly, cost effective and time saving. With the introduction of machines in 2000, Pochampalli sari were not just produced faster and without error, but also with precision and perfection that was hard to find elsewhere. So, what is the weaving process? It is the uniqueness of Pochampalli ikat lies is the smoothness and neatness with which it can get the design onto the fabric. Ikat are normally two types. First is single ikat, where only warp is dyed, and then dyed and interwoven with a weft warp, which is either uncolored or has only one basic color, and double ikat, where both warp and weft are dyed and then dyed and positions in such a way that they work together to create a specific design with the signature pleat. Pochampalli ikat uses double ikat and boosts the transferring the intricate designs onto the fabric with nothing short of perfection. The color of the fabric, like most ikat fabrics, is obtained from a natural resources like flowers, leaves, stem woods, spices, etc. The color fabric itself alternates between cotton, silk, and the combination of the both fabric, which is also called siko. It is all you can say blend of silk and cotton. The weaving of a Pochampalli ikat sari takes one family of 4 people, 10 days to weave, which is a time of processing of Pochampalli. The hard work and manual labor show in perfect product that you eventually hold in your hands. The weaving takes place not just in the village of Pochampalli but also Koalgudam, Chautupulla, Sirirpuram, then Bohbangiri, Chuigotala, and Galte Pala, and a few villages in the Nalgonda district. These all are the names of the Nalgonda district villages. So some special features of Pochampalli sarees are there. One of the most telling sign of Pochampalli silk saree is the intricate geometrical designs. So all over print of Pochampalli is mostly processed in the small intricate designs spread over the fabric. The minute detailing gives it a very captivating effect. If you look at the design directly, it can actually have a hypnotizing effect. The silk sari are also extremely lightweight and comfortable, so they make for a perfect summer wear option, especially in Indian weather. The rich luster of silk also makes it a great festive choice. So colors which can be used in Pochampalli uh, from the natural derived from the natural resources. The colors are normally bright with orange, yellow, dull gold, pink, rolling the roost. The pattern is mostly dull gold, but with the introduction of new motifs, you will often find brighter colors present in the design too. Pochampally cut sari are famous of the geometrical patterns on them. However, modern Pochampally sari borrow heavily from the Patola sari of Gujarat, which means that the motifs are a mix of elements. Elephants, parrots, dancing girls, and flowers. The traditional motifs are interspersed with the geometrical grid that is unique to the sari. Varieties available in the market of Pochampally Kat. The Pochampally Kat weave is not just limited to sari. With the introduction of machines that cut down on labor cost and time, Pochampally Kat find its way onto the dresses also. Bed sheets, bed covers, and other home decor items. How to identify a Pochampally Kat means how you can differentiate Pochampally with another type of fabric available in the market, or another type of sari is available in the market. One sure short way to identify a Pochampally cut sari is the texture. Pochampally is the texture. Pochampally is smoother than other ikat fabrics and is not quite as heavy. The geometrical design on Pochampally sari is also a standout feature. You can also look for the GI tag, which is a brand identical tag of Pochampally on the ikat sari. The best route to care guide how you care the fabric of Pochampally. The best route to take is dry cleaning. But if you are forced to wash the sari at home, for the first 3 times, soak the sari in cold water and avoid using detergent. This helps preserve the luster and sheen of the sari. Always use a mild detergent and keep the sari neatly folded in a sari bag at all times. In fact, it is a good idea to change the sari fold once every month to avoid permanent creases. So these are the steps which you have to follow for care the fabric of Pochampally sari. So in this presentation, we just learned about the origin, history, process, which is single and double ikat, and market availability of Pochampally sari. So thank you very much. I have you all understand the topic very well. Thank you.